heart-shaped revs?
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today for yet another car feature in form of this. This is a B9 S5. This one is, of course, in usual fashion from these type of videos, it's not standard. This is a stage 3 car. We've got a standard engine, but we've got a hybrid turbo in there, running at around 550 brake, which is good power actually. Stunning looking car actually as well, with a lot of cosmetic bits and bobs on it. But yeah, in usual fashion, of course, we are joined today with Ben, the owner. We'll introduce you to him very shortly, and then we'll have a walk around and we can basically speak about what he's done to it before we go out for a spin. Okay, we're joined now with Ben, the owner of this S5. Mate, thank you so much for bringing this thing down today. First S5 that I've featured, actually. What made you go for one of these, really? Because it's quite a rare car, really, I suppose. And
Well, to be fair, I've come from a lot of rear-wheel drive BMW M cars.
yeah, okay.
So I just sort of fancy going for Quattro, and
Yeah.
it's just a lot more usable power, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit more point and shoot, different drive experience, that kind of thing. But yeah, it's quite an unusual laid out engine bay, really. I suppose from factory it's all covered up by an engine cover, but got the turbo right at the top, which I suppose we could start off with that. It's a hybrid turbo.
Yeah, Litco L610 turbo.
Yeah.
They do a 540 and this is the 610, so slightly bigger.
Yeah, so running a fairly safe map at about 550 at the moment.
Yeah, it's tuned by Integrated Engineering.
Okay.
Carbon Labs intake with Pro-Ram air filter, downpipe. It's got upgraded spark plugs, just upgraded 4-bar map sensors.
Yeah, awesome.
So yeah, I mean, it's a pretty cool engine because everything's just really easy to get to. Like swapping the turbo is like an hour-and-a-half job.
Yeah, it's right at the top.
Yeah.
I mean, could you go any further with it, or is it kind of maxed out in terms of the engine and turbo?
Yeah, so these engines on E85, they'll make like 800 pretty comfortably.
Oh, wow.
They can make about 620, 630 on pump, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's room to go obviously with a bigger turbo. You can also get full frame turbo kits for these.
Yeah.
And yeah, I kind of wanted to go for a car which not many people had done stage 3 builds on.
Yeah.
And you never really hear of S5s going stage 3, so I thought that was quite appealing to me.
Yeah, absolutely.
Do something which not a lot of people have done. I mean, there's quite a lot of S4s out there stage 3.
Yeah, just something a little bit different.
Yeah, they share the same engine.
Moving around though, the wheels, are these like R8 style wheels? They look like the ones you get on the V10
they're actually
Plus.
V-man, they're lighter weight wheels.
Okay.
So a bit less rotational mass.
Stock brakes as well, or?
Yeah, other than the rears are on EBC yellow stuff pads.
Okay, yeah. Suspension wise as well?
It brakes really well. Yeah, H&R lowering springs. Yeah, we got the triple R composite front splitter and side skirts.
Yeah.
Maxton diffuser, rear spoiler.
Exhaust wise, is it standard catback or is it?
Yeah, downpipes, and then it's got a equal length.
Okay.
Mid-pipe delete.
Nice.
So it's quite fruity. And I potentially might sell it, so if anyone's interested, I'll probably let it go for a reasonable price.
Yeah.
It's like a full spec car as well, like it's got every option ticked pretty much. It's got
let's have a little look in here.
pan roof, digi-dash, carbon inlays from factory.
Oh wow, yeah, look at that.
Upgraded steering wheel.
Yeah, that's really nice. Quilted leather interior as well. Very nice.
Yeah, this car is obviously it's been de-chromed as well.
Yeah, all the bits and bobs.
Like wing mirrors, window trim, front grille.
But yeah, never been out in one of these before, to be honest. So yeah, I think if that's pretty much everything, we'll get it fired up and we'll go for a spin.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, what a sound.
Almost like obviously V6, so similar to the GTR sound.
It kind of is, yeah, I suppose, yeah. Revs high as well.
Yeah, plus the gearbox is so fast, like the way it changes gear and revs out.
So gearbox is mapped as well.
Yeah.
So hang on, this is literally just the downpipes and then the standard exhaust from back there. Did you say it's equal length mid-pipe?
Yeah, just underneath here.
Yeah. So standard back box.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cold start ended up blowing my old valves, so had to replace them recently. It's annoying because the map, when you download it on the app, it doesn't give you an option for a cold start delete.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then obviously the V6 just...
Yeah. Yeah, that is a symphony, that.
It's not the fastest thing in the world, but
it goes though.
It's enough for the road.
Yeah.
Like, it's quite torquey.
Have you got any kind of draggy times on it, or?
Yeah, we'll do like a low 3, 0 to 60.
Okay. Yeah.
Probably like a low 11 or a high 10 quarter mile.
Yeah.
I haven't done any 100 to 200.
Yeah.
I mean, they don't weigh crazy. Like they're like 1600-ish kg. So
considering it is quite a big car, that's not too bad.
For modern standards, it's not too bad at all. I just think these are such good value considering like an RS5 is like a 10-15 grand jump, and they have very similar engines. So it's basically the same engine, but that's a 2.9 twin turbo and this is a 3-litre single turbo.
Yeah.
And they have a different cooling system. So this is air-to-air intercooler.
Yeah.
And then the RS5 has a heat exchanger unit.
Right, I see.
So they suffer more with cooling issues.
Yeah.
But the RS5 obviously has the looks as well. It's got a wider body.
Yeah, beefier stance, that kind of thing.
I think this, like with the colours, it stands out quite a lot. Yeah, I'm really impressed with the Quattro system as well.
Or even on damp roads like this, you can just plant it. And...
No traction light. The burbles just end up annoying me after a while.
So when you put it in comfort, does that change the throttle response, or is it literally just the burbles?
It's same power, but just the burbles. So even on stock ECU file, like they just dump load of fuel on dynamic to create the burbles.
I see.
Yeah. See how much it revs?
Yeah. It is like a mini R8, isn't it, really? Well, I say mini, that's a TTRS, but...
Yeah, to be fair, I was in an R8 Gen 2 recently, V10 Plus, and I honestly prefer this cabin. I had a S5 before without a sunroof, and the sunroof just completely transforms it, like way more airy and spacious. But like the R8 just seemed a bit bare inside.
I suppose it's good. It's a smaller cabin.
Yeah, I used to have a Gen 1 R8 actually, V10.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. Spider.
Nice. Yeah. I really like it.
Yeah, it's good fun, isn't it?
It's brilliant fun.
Very planted.
Yeah, and it handles the road really nicely.
Yeah.
But yeah, no mate, thank you so much for bringing it down. Of course, if you guys do want to learn more, then I will leave your business account actually linked in the description down below. But for
Hit me up for any detailing.
Yes, there you go, you heard him. But yeah, no, that is it for me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.